Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where x to the power 8 minus 121 is equal to 0. X is positive. Okay. Or x to the power this 8 can be written as 4 times 2 minus 121 can be written as 11 square because 11 square is same 121 is equal to 0. Or now we know an exponential formula, a to the power m times n is equal to a to the power m whole to the power n. Now apply this formula. Here we can write x to the power 4 whole square minus 11 square is equal to 0. Or we know again another algebraic formula, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. Here a is equal to x to the power 4 and b is equal to 11. Now apply this formula. Here we can write x to the power 4 plus 11 times x to the power 4 minus 11 is equal to 0. Now from here we have two solutions. So we can write here x to the power 4 plus 11 is equal to 0 and x to the power 4 minus 11 is equal to 0. Okay. Or now taking this positive 11 to right side we will get x to the power 4 is equal to negative 11. But this is rejected because this is a negative value. Okay. Then from here we can write x to the power 4 is equal to positive 11. Sorry. Here we can write x square whole square minus a square root of 11 square is equal to 0. Again we can apply this formula. So we can write here x square plus square root of 11 times x square minus square root of 11 is equal to 0. Again we have two solutions. So we can write here x square plus square root of 11 is equal to 0 or x square minus square root of 11 is equal to 0. Here we will get x square is equal to negative square root of 11 and this is rejected because this is a negative number. Now here we can write x square is equal to square root of 11. Or now taking square root on both sides we can write here square root of x square is equal to square root of under square root of 11. Now this square cancel out this square root, so we will get here x is equal to, now we can write here 11 to the power half. So finally we will get the value of x is equal to 11 to the power 1 over 4. Now check our questions have given x to the power 8 minus 121 is equal to 0. Here x is equal to 11 to the power 1 over 4. Or we can write here 11 to the power 1 over 4 whole to the power 8 minus 121 it is equal to 0. Or now we can write here 11 to the power 8 over 4 minus 121 it is equal to 0. Or here we will get 2. So we can write here 11 square minus 121, it is equal to 0. We know that 11 square, that means 11 times 11, that means 121. So we can write here 121 minus 121, it is equal to 0. Finally we will get 0 is equal to 0. So our final answer is x is equal to 11 to the power over 4 is correct. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.